Hi there, I'm Kylie of Kylie M Interiors, online paint color expert and e-design consultant. Today we're going to look at Sherwin Williams Incredible White. Incredible White is an off-white paint color. So every paint color has an LRV number, and that number tells you how light or dark it is on a scale of 0 to 100. 0 is black, 100 is white. This guy's sitting at 74, so he's in the off-white range. Not high up, he's not getting close to being a white color, but definitely in the off-white range, which means that if you have a super bright room, it's going to wash out a little bit. Now the bones of Incredible White are greige. There aren't many great off-white greige paint colors. This is one of them, but they all have undertones to contend with. Incredible White, it does have a little bit of a purple undertone, but it's a warm purple, so it's slightly purple pink. You might see it a bit more in south-facing light, or if you partner it with a trim color that is too creamy for it. So you want to be careful. We'll get to that in a minute. Now, one of the best ways to choose a paint color is with comparison. So I want to show you some. And I do have some videos and blog reviews on these colors too. If you like them, you can check them out. So say you look at Incredible White and you're like, it's a little dingy. I wanted something a little bit warmer. You might look at Aesthetic White. So that's Sherwin Williams Aesthetic White. It's more like a beige with a gray undertone. So that'll show you the greige and a little bit more of the undertone that's in Incredible White. Let's also look at Eider White. So that might show you the warmth, and again, the greige Incredible White. Eider White is more of a warm gray, so it has less beige in it, and also a little bit more committed to that subtle purple undertone. What's this one? White Heron. So say Incredible White isn't warm enough, you don't necessarily want beige, but you want a little bit more warmth. You might look at White Heron, which is it's a really neat kind of cream greige taupe blend. It's a real mix of worlds there. You're still going to risk getting a bit of a pink undertone, but it's beautiful. Now, if I'm going to put a white with Incredible White, so if I'm looking at trim color or cabinet color, of course I'm going to consider other things like countertop and backsplash, but generally speaking, I'm going to keep my white pretty bright. So I just want to show you this one because a lot of today's popular trim colors are a warm white. You do want to be careful. Pure white does make the cut, soft and subtle. But if you get anything creamier, you really risk Incredible White looking quite taupe, so you're going to get more purple pink. So if I'm going to choose a white, I'm probably going to choose Sherwin Williams High Reflective White. Love the clean contrast. They totally play well together. So there you have it. I hope you'll visit me on my website, www.kylieminteriors.ca. I have hundreds of articles, blog posts, color reviews, affordable update ideas for your home that are fun to do. So I do hope you'll visit, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you.